Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel Essential Academy Chemistry with Vinay. In this video, we are going to discuss about the most repeated 14 questions in NEET examination since the year 2013 to 2021. Let us not waste the time, let us go directly to the concepts or the questions. Number 1. We have number 1, the most important and the most repeated questions have been asked based on hybridization, geometry, shapes. You can see the hybridization, it is mainly of the chemical bonding chapter. Hope you can concentrate on the chemical bonding chapter where you'll get these kinds of questions which has been most repeatedly asked. I can say almost of a 95%. Definitely you will get the questions based on the hybridization, geometry, shapes of the orbitals, where when it comes to the shapes you try to concentrate on the VSEPR theory, children. This is our first most repeated question. We'll go for the next one, that is quantum numbers. In quantum numbers, you can see that at the same time, you know that in quantum numbers, there are 4 types of quantum numbers, that is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number, where you need to concentrate the questions as well as also have a note on shapes of orbitals, which is also one of the very important one, most repeatedly asked. I can just tell you this is almost, I can say, around 100% you will get the question based on quantum numbers, shapes of orbitals in this. We'll go for the next one, that is third most repeated question, and that is Upac naming. Children, there is Upac naming in organic chemistry also, even in coordination compounds as well as even in periodic table. So you need to concentrate on the Upac naming of all the 3. I can say this is a possibility of 80% in your NEET examination. 80% it has been repeatedly asked in the examination. We'll go for the next one. We have 4th question. The 4th question is mainly based on the unpaired electrons, the paramagnetic and diamagnetic properties. Based on the unpaired electrons, there are many properties that will be given. The properties like it may be colored or it is magnetic in nature, like this there are many properties that can be there. So based on unpaired electrons, paramagnetic and diamagnetic properties, definitely you will have 100% question. We'll go quickly for the next one. The 5th one, we have solubility. Based on the solubility, that is of, you can concentrate on the solution chapters as well as the organic compounds solubility. What happens to the solubility? Is it increasing or is it decreasing? This is how the question based on solubility, definitely you will get one question here. We'll go for the next one, that is the most commonly question, repeatedly asked question, that is based on redox reaction. In redox reaction, you can mainly concentrate on oxidation. You can concentrate on oxidation state, as well as the rules of oxidation state also. You please have a go through that also, which will be helpful for you very much. We'll go for the next 7th one, the most repeatedly asked question, that is in organic chemistry, naming the reaction, children. If we take an example of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, you might have come across Rosenman reaction, Gutterman reaction, Itard reaction, like that. There are around many naming reaction in organic chemistry. Based on the name the reaction, 100% you will have one question fixed. We'll go for the next 8th most repeated question, that is, I can say it is 100% you'll get a question based on this. That is the chapter chemical kinetics, where you need to concentrate on activation energy and also know the first order reaction. If you know these 2 concepts, definitely you will get one question based on this. We'll go for the next one. The next one what we have here is about the structure of oxyacids. In the structure of oxyacids, where you need to concentrate more on phosphorus structures, sulfur structures, and also the chloride structures. So based on the oxyacids, definitely the chances are 95% in the examination, children. You can see many times they have repeatedly asked the question based on the oxyacids, which is very important. We'll go for the 10th one. What we have, the most common one. I know that you feel such a easy chapter. Yes, everyone knows that in biomolecules, a very simple, a direct question will be asked where you can solve it in 2-3 seconds. Where you need to concentrate more on carbohydrates, vitamins, amino acids and nucleic acids. You try to concentrate on 1, 2, 3, 4 more in this chapter, that is biomolecules, children. There will be a pakka one question here, again you can answer it. We'll go for the next one, that is 11. The 11th most important question, that is from the chapter haloalkane and haloarenes, where you need to concentrate more on SN1 and SN2 mechanism, the questions, and the preparation of haloalkane and haloarenes, where you can also have an eye on the physical properties, where the boiling points will be the question. So this is about your most repeated question, number 11. We'll go for the number 12, where we have a question that is based on lanthanides and actinides. I know that in this D and F block, you need to concentrate even on F block elements, where usually the students will neglect it. Try to concentrate on the lanthanides and actinides, where it has been asked repeatedly from past 4-5 years. There is always one question which has been repeatedly asked. Try to concentrate on lanthanides and actinides, children. Let us go for the number 13. Number 13 is a well-known chapter, that is polymers. In polymers, if you observe, where you can mainly concentrate on the concepts of addition and condensation polymerization, cationic and anionic polymerization, the 12 most important polymers. Definitely I am going to upload about this chapter in my next videos, upcoming videos, children. And know about the plastics of thermoplastics and thermostatic plastics and fibers, elastomers and many more. Let us go for the next one, that is you can expect 100% question from this one. Then we'll go for the next one, that is the last one, that is your question number 14, which is going to be of chemistry in everyday life, where you can try to concentrate more on preservatives. You can try to concentrate more on the questions like artificial sweeteners and many more. So these are the 14 most repeated questions in NEET examination from 2013 to 2021. So that's it in this video, children. Try to check all these concepts when you are going for your NEET examination. It helps you a lot. I hope this video has given you a lot of information regarding the most repeated questions in the year 2013 to 2021. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.